Hi everyone. So it's Tuesday, October 20th, which is week 6 in Career Prep World. And it's a bit busy. I don't know about you, but I am feeling a bit overwhelmed. I feel like you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. And so I think we need a break this week. I think I am not going to introduce any new content. Instead, what I would love to do is to just get you to make sure you're on track and catching up and that you're aware of a few important dates coming up. So, I think that you have a cover letter and references assignment, which is due in week 6, which is this week, which is, the due date is Friday, October 23rd. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be exactly on Friday. You can submit it sometime over the weekend. What I do need to make sure you understand is that it is critically important that you review the online content before you write the cover letter and do the assignment. And please also ensure that you are not copying that cover letter. There are obviously thousands of them out there and readily available, but this cover letter needs to be about you and your work experience and why you are going to be the best candidate for the job. So please just keep those things in mind before you submit your cover letter assignment. And if you need a little bit of extra time, that's totally fine. Just let me know. The next assignment after that, there are 2 coming up. They were introduced last week, and they are a LinkedIn profile as well as a magnet profile. Now, I know you don't know what magnet is, and I know you probably already have a LinkedIn profile. So please take a look at the assignments section of eCentennial, where I will publish the information for you. The content was delivered in Module 5 last week about LinkedIn and Magnet. You're not going to recreate your LinkedIn profile rather, but what you have to do now for this assignment is put it to use. Get it working for you. Follow the instructions in this page and really give your LinkedIn profile a workout. Connect with people, be active, like posts, comment on posts, share people's posts, participate in some LinkedIn learning opportunities that you have through Centennial College for free. I'll give you instructions on how to do that. And really make sure that once your profile is at the point where you have been active and participating in LinkedIn and using it to build a network, then you'll send me a connection request. And that's how I'll find you. That connection request will include a personalized message to me, and that's how I will find and assess your LinkedIn profile. So a common question is always, how do I submit my LinkedIn assignment? You just submit it by sending me a connection request. Okay. Magnet, as I indicated last week, is an online platform that people use for job searching, and you're going to use it for your work integrated learning purposes. So again, follow the instructions in the page here, create a magnet profile, and then to submit this assignment, there is a video with instructions for how to submit your LinkedIn assignment. You're going to use the magnet job board to find a fake job posting that's posted there. And each career prep class will have its own fake job posting on Magnet. Ours is the one that says Allison McKenzie. And you're going to open that, submit your application for the fake job, and by doing that, you're illustrating to me that you know how to make a profile and apply for a job. Once you do that, you will earn the contribution marks for your Magnet profile for the course. One last thing that I want to remind you of, or to bring up, is that we are having a live will information session next week. So if you take a look at this image to the right here, you can see there are 5 different sessions, one each day, all at different times. you need to pick one. This is mandatory attendance. This is where you get to meet with and speak to our Work Integrated Learning Coordinator, Sarika Smith, as well as General Manager Shannon Kerrigan. And they will answer some of the questions that you have about Work Integrated Learning for next semester and what that's going to look like. So it's very important that you attend. You receive 2% of your final grade in this class for your attendance for the entire session. So please pick a time, and we will see you online for that next week. Next week we are going to start introducing interviewing, and that's the next important piece of the job application process, is now being able to successfully go through an interview. So we're going to spend a few weeks working on that and having some live online practice interviews. So please do stay tuned to week 7 for more info. Hope this makes sense. As usual, please email me if you have any questions or concerns, and I hope you have a wonderful week.